Welcome to Fire Engineering's Training Minutes. I'm Walt Lewis. Today we're going to talk about setting up a hose line remote from the fire apparatus. It may be at a garden apartment fire that's set back from the roadway or commercial structure, but in any case, it's a fire outside the reach of our common pre-connects on our apparatus. Here the apparatus has arrived alone, is positioned to the side of the road to leave address for the truck so they can set up their positioning. The firefighters are going to work. The officer has called for a 3-inch line to be deployed from the apparatus with a gated Y so that the pre-connect can be brought up to the area of operation. One firefighter stretching the 3-inch line as the other firefighter shoulders a pre-connect. In this case, that pre-connect is a Minuteman load. The fire engineer, the driver, chauffeur, whatever your department calls him, has to help break that line from him so he can take it up to the area of operation. Now the firefighters have gotten the pre-connect hose up to the area of operation. The 3-inch feeder line is up there, and the connection is being made to the gated Y. The officer has done his size up and determined that this length of hose is going to be sufficient and where he wants it deployed. Any kinks in the line or anything else will be taken out once the hose line is deployed upstairs. And we're ready to raise the hose line. Now that the nozzle has been brought up to the area of the stairs, the rope is dropped down to be able to raise the nozzle up. This is similar to Ray McCormick's hose stretch that he did in a previous training minutes. The hose is being hoisted over the edge, nozzle set on the ground. The firefighter's brought the line up and he's helping bring the slack up the stairs that we need. The door to the fire department is to their right. They're setting up with some extra hose coming up the stairs to work to their benefit. Now that we've got 50 feet of working length up on the fire floor, we're prepared to enter our fire department. Nozzleman takes his position, gets ready to mask up. The officer is getting ready to call for water. Not every department has the fortune to have 4 firefighters on every apparatus, but there's a lot of work to be done. This duty here can be done with 2 firefighters, but there's still more work to be done, such as size up, throwing ladders, search, forcible entry, and all the other necessary functions on a fire ground. We still have plenty of parking out front for the other apparatus that's arriving, and for the second line to be brought up to this area to fight fire. Thanks for watching Training Minutes by Fire Engineering. I'm Walt Lewis.